Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to fix WMIC is not recognized as an internal or external command in Windows 11 computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you. Let me open a command prompt and let me type WMIC, and if I hit enter, now you can see here it's showing WMIC is not recognized as an internal or external command. So in order to fix this issue on your Windows 11 running computers, what you need to do is just open the settings, and on the left side just click on the system. Now just scroll down below. Now you will see here optional features, just click on it. Now you can see add an optional feature, just click on this view features. Now under this search box just search for WMIC. So you can see here we found the WMIC. Now just select it and click on next, click on add. So finally you can see the WMIC has been added. So you can see added. So now let us check back if the issue has been fixed or not. So let me type again WMIC. So now you can see it's not showing any message again like the earlier one. So finally we have fixed. So by using these cool tricks you can easily fix WMIC is not recognized as an internal or external command in Windows 11 computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.